Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the simple causes. Confirm the controller has a charged battery or fresh AA cells and correct polarity, because insufficient power causes blinking. Once done, power cycle the console by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds and restarting. This clears temporary USB or wireless states. Next, perform a controller soft reset. Press and hold the pair and Xbox buttons together for 10 seconds, then release. This forces the controller to reboot its firmware and can stop many blink loop issues. Now focus on re-establishing a clean connection and updating firmware. Plug the controller into the console with a known good USB-C cable. This bypasses wireless radios and lets you pair while tethered. Open the guide, go to Profile and System Settings, Devices and Connections Accessories, then update controller firmware if prompted. Firmware fixes radio timing and pairing bugs that cause blinking. If the update or pairing stalls, switch USB ports or use another cable, because faulty cables often corrupt firmware transfers. Finish by isolating hardware faults and, if needed, taking stronger action. Remove batteries or the battery pack. Hold the Xbox button on the controller for 10 seconds to drain residual charge, then reinsert fresh batteries and attempt pairing again. This clears stubborn power states. Test the controller on a PC or a different Xbox to see if blinking follows the device. If it does, it's likely a controller hardware or RF issue. If blinking persists after firmware and resets, contact support or pursue warranty repair as the final step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.